Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I am super excited because Brad and I are having our very first day alone in 7 years. He had CQ last night, which means he gets the day off today. The kids are at school, and yeah, we're gonna go on a date. It has been a long time since we've gotten to do something like this, so we have been looking forward to this moment for a really long time. So I'm just waiting for him to come home. Should be here pretty soon, I think within the next hour or so, and then yeah, a day full of just us. I'm super excited. Who's here? Who's here? It's Daddy! It's date day!
Date day!
Go get ready.
I have not had my coffee yet.
Neither have I. I've been waiting for you.
Mommy's so nice. Mommy's so nice. She must love me or something.
I love my little Harvest Hog cup. Seriously, like my new favorite cup. I hope I can find another cute one for like the other seasons and stuff, because he's so cute. You can also see my bug bites if you don't follow me on Instagram. I got bit by something. That's not focusing. So we are starting our morning, our day date day with some coffee, and I'm watching Dr. K's Exotic Animal ER. It's my new favorite show. I wish they had more seasons though. He's fast. He's fuzzy. I wonder what kind of, does he turn into a butterfly or a moth?
Oh.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bug. Fuzzy Wuzzy. I don't remember it now.
He's gonna chomp on some grass
now. Oh yeah, I just saw that. He's cute. Bye, Mr. Caterpillar. And we're off. Our very first day date.
Full day together.
Yeah, our first full day together in over 7 years. That's so sad. So we are going to Remington Pond first. We always like to go down there with the kids, but you know, they like to run around and
scare the animals off. Scare us because they're by the water and stuff. So we are going to go and animal watch because we both enjoy doing that. And then I think we're just gonna go walk around some stores and look at stuff without hearing I'm bored every couple of seconds. So we're pretty excited.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
like these fat little piggies. See any over here? This one looks cute. Como se llama? Oh, I like this one with all the cats. That's cute. I gotta be careful saying that's cute. We don't need a cute count in this video. I do like the cats though, a lot. That's funny. Look at these. Oh, I was wanting to get some coasters for the coffee table.
Oh, you pick out M for your name, huh?
No, that's the only one that's there.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
That's your story.
Let the stuffing begin. These would be fun. More hedgehogs. Oh, so cute. Hold on, it's not focusing. Oh, there's one inside too. Oh, I love them. Oh, that's cute. I know, I can't help it. That's adorable, I'll say. Pumpkin
so
patch, Hello Autumn. I really like this one. Oh, these are cool. Look at these.
Ooh. Cinnamon sticks.
You can make your own cinnamon. Do you think these are hard? Or do you think they're like yummy cookies? No? Oh wow, their whole section is orange now. You didn't like that one? This is nice. Want to add some plants. Is that a skeleton cracker? That's funny. They have a Ray Dunn pumpkin. Oh, here we go. This would be good for the coffee table, this Happy Harvest one.
Yeah.
Because I'm wanting to put something in place of that picture frame. I've got a lot of neat stuff. I'm trying to use other words. Oh, look at this guy.
Start shopping with a thesaurus.
I do need to shop with a thesaurus. Oh, she's fashionable. I want so many things. Oh, look at this. We need
This is cool.
That is cool. Look at this. Happy fall, y'all. Just set your spoons on so you don't get crud on the counter.
Yeah.
You want a shower curtain? Hey, this would be cute for my makeup brushes.
Oh yeah.
Little lashes. Oh, they still have those clocks. I really like this. And I like those too. I want to put one of those in the house somewhere.
What do they have?
Yeah, I actually want to get, that's a phone mount, but I just put a windshield one on my Amazon list.
Oh.
So we bought one thing while we were in there, and I love it, even though Brad doesn't understand it. So it's got this cute little truck on it, and then it says, Happy Fall, y'all.
Would you say it's cute?
He's making fun of my cute. I didn't say it that many times in this store though.
It's because you tried not to.
I know. Where are we going to next?
Food.
Food, it's not lunchtime.
It's
Let's go to
11:30.
PetSmart
I'm
first.
starving.
Where do you want to eat?
I don't know, but I'm starving.
Okay. We're gonna go eat first.
We can go to PetSmart first if you want.
No, we'll go eat first.
Why don't we go to PetSmart?
Because I want to play with the kitties. Okay, so we are going to go eat at Red Robin, but we decided to come to Petco, wherever that is. Petco. We always call it PetSmart because that's what they had. That's all where we always went to in Hawaii. I don't even think they had a Petco in Hawaii.
No.
Anyway, we're going into Petco
first, and then we'll go to Red Robin, which the kids are gonna be really mad when they watch this because they love Red Robin.
Sorry, babies.
Hi, baby. Look at you. You're so cute. Hello. Hello, dear. Oh, hello, dear. Hi.
Oh my goodness, look at your feet. Brad's in there playing. Look at you. Hi, dear. Hi, dear. I got a friend. Hi.
They both walked like me. My first thought was, we start fires.
Hi there, babies. Hello. You guys are just adorable. Oh my goodness.
He just filmed with one up here.
They're skinny.
Look at this. And then making.
No.
Oh, snow kitty. You like to snow.
He's playing with my strings.
You like to snow and stuff.
He's playing with my strings too.
It's funny, this one jumped down to say hi to me, and then that one got jealous and came out of there.
Oh, he's playing with my camera string. Hi there, cutie. Oh, you guys are cute. Oh yeah.
Both females.
Look at this baby. Spring.
You pretty.
I love these little guys. They're so funny. Oh my gosh. How cute are they? Hi. They're checking us out. Hi dear. Oh, they're so cute. I like guinea pigs.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, babe. These are so cute.
Hi, dear. Bye-bye.
So, how long did we spend in Petco?
I don't know.
I think we were like there for at least an hour. It was a while. We played with the kitties for a little while. I look really pink. We played with the kitties for a little while, like you guys saw, and then we looked around at just all the other animals and checked them out because that's what you do when you go to Petco. So now we're headed to Red Robin, gonna have some lunch, and then what else are we doing?
I have no idea. We'll have to see what time it is when we finish.
Then I don't know what we're doing next. Yeah, we gotta make sure we're home I want to be home by like 3:30,
Yeah.
just to make sure we have enough time to get the babies, but yep.
Hey guys, so after lunch we ended up going to the mall and just kind of walking around and checking out the stores to kill time before the kids came home. We went through the Christmas shop and I got some stuff, but I'll save that for like my fall haul decorating thing. And then we also went through the Halloween store and we are super excited to take the kids through that. But that'll be in another vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would love to see you guys in the next video. Bye.